TOMNOOK 3D People is a modular 3D Asian character series for Blender, Unreal Engine, and Cinema 4D. The aim of the series is to make architectural visualization more compelling. We felt that compelling architectural visualization required realistic 3D human models with a story to tell. So we created 10 different 3D characters with animations and fashion styles that fit into a variety of scenes, such as offices, living room, hotel, lounge, shopping mall, cafe, bar, and Asian restaurant. These characters are designed based on Unreal Engine's modular characters, and each character's clothing, hairstyle, shoes, and animations can be easily swapped out. Hairstyles of other characters may require slight size adjustments of about 1%. By combining 10 characters with 30 different hairstyles and clothing, characters with various personalities can be created. In addition, all characters are LiveLink ready with 52 ArchViz blend shapes. The textures in this series were created in 4K to allow for close-ups. The Unreal Engine project data includes 8 animation sequences, the character's full body mesh and separate parts, skeletal meshes for hair, clothes, shoes, and props, material instance and material, a third-person character with LiveLink set up, and a map with these assets placed on it. At this time, we offer 3 series: Business, Casual, and Smart Casual. In the future, we plan to add more fashion styles and hairstyles, such as uniforms for various professions, kimono, yukata, etc. This series can be used for commercial and non-commercial purposes, in architectural visualizations and game productions. And because all of these characters are original, there are no issues with likeness rights. Next, I'll show you how to use it. In Unreal Engine, you can change animations. By selecting a character and selecting the animation sequence, you want to use an Animate to Play in the Details panel. Each model has 8 animations in 3 series, for a total of 24 different animations for each character. Clothing materials can be changed in the Materials section of the Details panel. The material uses material instance, so you can adjust the color using parameters. Next comes the change of clothing. Select Mesh in the Components panel and drag the skeletal mesh you want to use into Mesh. Drag the added skeletal mesh onto the graph and connect them to the target input pin of the Set Leader Pose component node. I'll try changing it to his casual series hairstyle. Select Mesh in the Components panel and drag the skeletal mesh you want to use into Mesh. Drag the added skeletal mesh onto the graph and connect them to the target input pin of the Set Leader Pose component node. The atmosphere has become a lot more casual and relaxed. All 10 characters are set to 52 ArchViz blend shapes, so they are also compatible with LiveLink. This is a video I recorded when trying out real-time facial capture with a third-person character. In Blender, you can change animations using the action data block in the editor header. Actions are separated for the face and body. First, select the body armature. Select an action from the action data block. Next, select the face armature. Select the face action from the action data block. Then display the prop that matches the animation. Clothes and shoes materials include textures for color variations. In the shader editor, switch the node. We offer a variety of color variations for all character clothing and shoes. You can also change the material of the shoes in the same way. Just changing the color can make a big difference in the impression. The Blender add-on Face, it makes it easy to load facial captures. Click Import Live Link Face CSV and click OK. With Faceit add-on, you can easily do all of this. Next, we will remap the Mixamo animation using the Blender add-on Auto Rig Pro. Import the downloaded animation FBX. Drag the rig onto the target armature, the imported armature onto the source armature, and click Build Bones list. Click Mapping Presets and select Mixamo. Click Redefine Rest Pose and click OK. Select all the arm rigs, including the shoulder rig. Click Copy Selected Bones Rotation and click Apply. Click Retarget and click OK. This alone will enable him to perform a great dance. With the Auto Rig Pro add-on, you can easily increase the variety of your animations. It's also easy to change materials in CINEMA4D. CINEMA4D data includes materials for the Corona renderer. Find the material with the same name as the object in the Material Manager. Drag and drop the material onto the object. You can change the materials of the shoes, pants, shirt, and belt individually, so you can create a wide variety of variations. Use CINEMA4D's retarget tag to change the animation. Copy and paste the root of the animation you want to use. Select Characters Root in the Objects Manager and retarget. Select the retarget tag and drag the character's root in the target and the root in the source. If you use animations from another character, delete the ORG face in the copy and paste root. As you can see, TOMNOOK 3D people can be easily used with Unreal Engine, Blender, and CINEMA4D. This product comes with a manual PDF in English and Japanese. The manual PDF contains basic instructions on how to use TOMNOOK 3D people in Blender, Unreal Engine, and CINEMA4D. When rendered, it looks like this. Thank you for your attention.